Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we get into today's video, I'm gonna need you lots to click that subscribe button and tell a friend to tell a friend. Now let's get straight into that video. So today's video is gonna be about how I applied lipstick to this finger. Yeah girl, lipstick. So the first thing I did is I began dip powdering the nail, just so we can make it look natural and all of that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just dip powdering the nail. I'm now using my file to smoothen it out, going in with some glue again to dip powder again, and then we're going to smooth it out some more. And after you smoothened it out, this should be what the nail looks like. And she's smoothing some more. So yeah, the nail should be really smooth. You should also want to file the tip of the nail to make sure you get a nice perfect shape. I'm now just going in with my drill around the edges just to make sure there's no lifting basically on this nail. I have now applied the lipstick, and this is what the finished look was. This was the lipstick that I used to apply on the nail. And I'm just going to show you guys here what I did. This is a matte lipstick, so if you're going to be using a lipstick that has gloss, you're going to get a different effect to what I got. But this is a matte lipstick, and if you kind of want a similar result to the result that I have, then you probably want to use a matte lipstick too. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my drill again and cleaning it up. If I was doing this on myself or a client, I would not be doing this. I would have used a makeup brush or, you know, a brush in order to do this cleanup bit. I would not have been using my nail drill. I then applied some gems because I wanted to spice it up. So yeah, girl, I decided to add some gems. And originally I only added one. And then I was a bit bored, so I decided to add a few more. Here I'm just applying some a clear base coat to it. And this base coat that I applied actually made it go quite funky, and you lots will see what I mean in the next clip, yeah, because like it went funky. It just went a bit funky. So but I fixed it, girl. I fixed it, so don't you worry. Don't you worry. So yeah, as I said before, this method that I'm doing now is a method that I would have been using if I was doing it on myself or a client. Not that I have any clients because I'm not a nail tech. But yeah, so as you can see, this is what I meant by the clear went a bit funky. This is the clear going a bit funky. So now I've just applied another clear coat, but this clear base coat was a bit more expensive. I paid a bit more money for this one, and this one I got I can put the link in the description from where I got it from. But yeah, guys, this was the finishing look after I added the gems and the different top coat. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it looks cute, yo. It looks cute. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it just as much as I enjoyed doing it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Click that subscribe button.